Today we are going to learn how to make TLM for online classes, and we are starting right now. What is going on, people? My name is Clement and welcome to another video. If this is your first time and you want to learn how to improve your communication, other how to stuffs, get motivated, inspiration and other teaching stuffs on YouTube, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any single thing. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. TLM is all about the chapter in some bullet points so that the students can remember very easily. Now for me over here or today, I'm going to make a TLM for temperature zones, the temperate zone, the torrid zone and the frigid zone. Now this is from Oxford. Those who want to know what Oxford is and learn about Oxford, please check my other videos. I will be dropping the link in the I bar or the I button so that you can watch it. Now TLM can be prepared in many ways. If I talk about the basic thing, that is free, you do not have to pay anywhere or you do not have to buy expensive softwares. For them we have two options, or many options are there, but I would rather prefer two options. That is the Paint, MS Paint. We can make a TLM, a very good TLM over here, but I personally prefer MS Word, because over here we can write as well as paste the pictures and we can design it accordingly. Now today I'm going to show you on MS Word. Now for those who want to know how to make it on MS Paint, just mention in the comment box, I'll do the needful. Means I'll make a separate video for that, obviously. Now before starting we need to set the pictures. So set the page. So page layout, margin has to be narrow. I'm just showing it again. So this is the basic thing. Over here on the top left hand side, third option, page layout, margin narrow, A4, and we do not need column. This orientation has to be in the landscape because we want it in a broader manner. Now over here on the right hand side corner, we need to decrease the size so that it is, we can just see everything all together. We do not need page. Now temperate zones, we all know that there are three temperate zones, obviously. So I want to write something about the three temperate zones separately, and at the same time I want to paste a picture of that. So basically I need 4 columns or 4 blocks to prepare it. So what I have in mind is I want to put some boxes inside it. Now over here, insert, the fourth option is a table. So I'm taking 4 boxes over here. The moment I click over here, I'm just going to put it down a bit so that I can write on top. And over here you will see a small box and you can drag it. There you go. This is what I wanted. And for the heading, I also need, you just need to click over here, just drag it down a bit and again insert something over there. 1 table, yes, 1 is enough. Of the world, the temperate zones of the world. Now this is done. Let me see how it is to be done. Now let me see. Now over here we need to put it in the center, and we need to increase the font size or the font size. You can color it as you want. It's blue, red, whichever thing. We'll come to that later on. Now let's get the pictures. Now the pictures, for the pictures we need to go to this thing, the Google. Images. Now you can select any of the image from here, whichever image you want, whichever image you think is describing your TLM or which type of TLM you want. You can simply do that. Do not directly just copy from here. Maybe there are several hallmarks are there which going to be a problem, so it's better that you select it, put a I'm showing you again, put a right click over here, you see it, open the picture or open image in new tab, left click, and here again a right click and save image. So you will get this save image. The moment you click over here, small box will open in front of you and you'll get the option where to save the image. You can save it in the download or the desktop, wherever you want, put the name, and that's it. Now for me, I have already saved an image, so that is what I'm going to do. Now let me show you how to put the image over here and how to paste it. Now again, coming back to this point, insert pictures. I have it in the desktop. It is TZ. Yes, insert. That's it. So I had this picture downloaded a long time back, so I'm going to use this one. So you can use whichever picture you want as according to the TLM that you're making. Now the moment it is done, just check it out whether the picture is in the center or not, or just if the picture is not moving, the once initially you just put the picture will not move. So you just need to put a right click and you will get the third last option, that is over here, and come this side and you would be able to see these options are there. Now as we have already this boxes over here, so let's make it in front of the text. Yes, so you see how the picture is moving. It's you can just paste it anywhere, keep it anywhere, as because you have put it in the option of in front of the text, so you can just put it anywhere. If it would have been behind, it wouldn't have moved. So there you go. You can just make it big, make it small, according to the box, according to the size of it. Now over here, for this you need some information about the temperate zone or the torrid zone, all the things. So the first thing that the first information I'm going to write up is about the torrid zone. Alright, so let me write it down. Do not worry about the font size. I'm going to increase it. First let us fit the thing. Now for the characteristics, you can definitely obviously go to your Google and you can type the characteristics of the temperate zone. Now to make things easier and to make the video short, I have already selected this. You can definitely get it. Just need a little research about it. Now over here you see the characteristics have already been given. So you just need to copy it out and paste it. That's it. Second option is this area. That's it. Now over here you to make everything in a same font, you just need to select any of the thing word, and over here there's an option called format pane. Just select it and drag it, you'll get it in the size. Yes, now this we need in the center, so select it. Over here there's a center option that is there. You can make it bold, you can make it underline, you can even change the color according to your wish, whichever the thing that if you want to make it colorful, obviously you can go with torrid zone. Let's make it red because it's hot, that's why. Now the next is temperate zone. Let's copy it from here only. it is done. After this, there are two more options that you can do. The first thing is that you can save it and you can make a PDF out of it. If you don't want to get worried about so much or making and converting into PDF again, downloading it, so you can make it in the picture format. Now I'll show you how to do. If you see on top of your keypad, there is an option called print screen, PRTSC. Just click on the picture and just press on the print screen. That's it. Now come to MS Paint. Click over here and then Control V together. That's it. It is going to come. Select the whole thing and crop. That's it. It's done. All you need to do is save it. That's it. Desktop TLM of temperate zones. That's it. It's done. Now let's see how it is, how we have prepared. Zones, TLM of the temperate zones. And there you go, you have your TLM ready in front of you. All you need to do is that you share the screen and just start teaching to your students. So that is all for today, guys. If you want to see more, please do subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video, and never stop learning.